6 चीज़ें आपकी गाड़ियों में धमाके का बाइस बन सकती हैं। आपको बड़े हादसा से बचने के लिए इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखें और शेयर कीजिए। साबिर अब्बासी।
Summer weather is very hot. These 6 items must not be placed in the car, otherwise the consequences will be disastrous. First, never keep a lighter in the car. In summer, the temperature outside the car can reach 40 degrees Celsius. The temperature in a closed car can reach 50 degrees Celsius. Direct sunlight for a long time can even reach 70 degrees Celsius inside the car, and the lighter may expand or even explode at 50 degrees Celsius. Second, never leave carbonated drinks in the car. It expands when shaken gently. Coupled with the high temperature inside the car, it is really easy to explode. Third, never leave glasses and mineral water in the car. Bottled water is placed on the center console, and the sunlight can easily refract the focal point, igniting your center console. Fourth, never keep spray cans and perfume bottles in your car. Some girls like to throw these items in the car. These sprays usually contain alcohol and are pressurized in the can bottle. If it is affected by the high temperature inside the car, it is easy to explode. Fifth, do not put charging treasures in the car, especially those that look unqualified. They are unstable in nature and easy to spontaneously ignite. If you leave it in the car, it's like a ticking time bomb. Sixth, never leave food and medicine in the car. After high temperature and exposure to sunlight, they are easily deteriorated and may affect the health of the body. If you have these 6 items in your car, clean them up quickly.